Hello everyone, welcome back to the OpenShift Bootcamp series. In this video, you will learn how to install OpenShift CLI or OC utility on Linux. OpenShift CLI or OC utility is a powerful CLI utility to manage and maintain your OpenShift clusters. You can execute all of your OpenShift operations using the OC utility. You can use this single command line utility to manage self-hosted OpenShift clusters, managed OpenShift clusters, or even development environments such as Red Hat CodeReady Containers clusters. How to install OpenShift CLI? To install OpenShift CLI utility, you need to log into the Red Hat portal. Then you have to download the correct version of the package and correct client package for your operating system like Linux, MacOS, or Windows. Now you need to unzip the downloaded archive using commands or with the GUI methods. You can keep the OC and kubectl utility in any location, but for the demo, I am keeping it in my home directory. Now we need to include our custom path in the path environment variables so that we can execute the OC command from any locations. Check the OC version and other subcommands to verify. Now you can use the OC utility to access and manage any of your OpenShift clusters. Check our YouTube channel for OpenShift installation videos. That's all for the OpenShift CLI utility installation on Linux. Stay tuned for the upcoming OpenShift Bootcamp videos and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get all the latest videos and other courses. Thank you for watching. See you next time with another video.